Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Paul here from the Hook and The Ccok. Today I'm out on the kayak, as you can see, and one of my favourite pastimes at the moment is getting out on the old yak. I'm going to chase whatever's out there at the moment. It looks really nice and glassy at the moment, so we'll have a crack with a couple of poppers, maybe try some soft plastics, some hard bodies, who knows. So I'm looking forward to it, so let's get out there. So I'm just over a weed bed at the moment, folks. I'm going to do a little bit of poppering this morning. Just got a M&D splash prawn on, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's very, very shallow in here. Right on the high tide, we've got some big tides at the moment, so I am going to go right over these flats, which is probably only a few feet deep. There we go. Oh, there's a fish. Just let him go, chase him down. It's only a small one, I think, when I'm only on really light gear. Like I say, I mean, only really shallow water. I'm sorry I didn't get the hook up, guys. There you go, baby little trevally. Still gives you a bit of fun on light gear. 6 pound line, and he's just taking that popper nicely. Bring him in. That little splash prawn. There you go. So a little Trevor, beautiful. Go too crazy. I don't want one of them trebles in my leg. Okay, mate. Okay. There you go. That's the one that did the damage. Beautiful. I'll get him back in the water. So this is a little big eye trevally by the looks of him. There you go, buddy. And away he goes. Good fun. Even better when you get bigger ones. So I'm just going to try the shallow diving lure. We've caught one on the splash prawn, so swapping over to a shallow diver. Oh, it's steaming up. I tell you what, it's humid today. Sunglasses are steaming up. Can't see a thing. And my eyesight's nowhere near as good as it used to be. Bloody whinging pom, aren't I? So I'm just doing a loop knot. Loop knot just helps it swim better in the water. Makes it look more natural rather than tying it straight to the actual to the ring itself. There we go. And I always have the like this part, which is the tag end pointing downwards, so it doesn't collect any weed as it's being dragged through the water. All right, let's go on, give it a bit of a go in these shallows. So I'm gonna. Okay, so there you go. There's a fish. Probably a flatty, I'd say. I don't know if he's fine like a flathead. I'm gonna have to just chase this fish and let that drag off a little bit. Oh no, it's not a flathead. What is it? Little trevally, I think. Another trevally. I need the net for this guy. Oh no, he's a brim. Good sized brim. Not a bad brim. So there we go, boys and girls. Worked. Thought it would. Especially on this high tide. Have a look in there. What a beautiful looking brimbo. Beautiful. I'll get him back in the water. And yeah, he was just sat behind really shallow bank there, and feeding on all the little bait fish that were coming through. So we'll pop him back in the water in a sec. I've just got to measure him. I am in a little competition at the moment, so like a monthly competition, so every fish counts, and even the undersized ones. He'd go probably about close to 30, I'd say. So as you can see, that brim is what is he, 30 centimeters, so that's good. There we go, right, in you go. Away he goes. He's gone. Cool, let's go and see if we can get another one now. I was hoping that was a good flathead, to be honest. Might take a little bit of a feed home today with me. I've got some ice on board, so let's see how we go. Oh, there we go. That's a good fish, whatever that is. What is that? Oh, it's a cod. A cod. All the way out here. They fight hard when they first hit, and then they come up like a big wet sock. They just give up the ghost. I'll try not try and release him in the. Actually, no, I've actually got to measure him, haven't I? For this competition thing that I'm in. So better get him in the boat. There we go. All right, little cod. Thought he was a flathead then for a minute. I'm amazed I've not got a flathead yet. Normally I always get a whole heap of them here. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful looking. Look at the mouth on that. You wouldn't want to be a bait fish, would you? That guy just going about to chomp on you. Anyway, give him a quick measure and we're getting back in the water. Oh, what is this? This has got a bit of size to it. Whether I'll get this in or not, this could be a bloody shark. Whatever it is, it's big. Chase him down. Only on 6 pound here. Could be a big flathead, but I doubt it. Not the way it's fighting. Could be, I don't know what it is. Anyway. Oh no, what is that? Bloody cod, is it? Oh, he's a good sized cod. Thought it was a small shark the way it first hit. Like I say, these cods, they really do hit hard. He's a good sized cod. Nice cod. Ooh, yeah, happy with him. So there you go, folks. Beautiful cod on the flats here. Never really caught many cod on the flats here. Normally get them over the, you know, around the mangroves and around the weed beds, but yeah, not on the flats. But that's a cracking cod. You'd have to go about 40 centimeters, I'd say. All right, we're getting back in the water. Hope you're enjoying the clip, guys. If you want to ask me any questions, just leave some stuff in the comments, guys, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so one of my favourite things to do over the flats, if everything else is failing or you're not having success on certain things, hard bodies and this, that, the other, this is my favourite, is putting the old little slim swim on. It's a 2.5 inch slim swim, this one, Z-Man. What's really good as well is the squidgy wrigglers. I've run out, unfortunately. They're awesome. And I normally put it on the lightest jig head that I can find. So I can't remember what that is, 1/20th or something like that. And it's a hidden weight. And I'll throw a little bit of gunk on there as well, always helps. Especially when it's really muddy like this and murky. So I just put a little bit of that on there. Just gets rid of any sun cream on my fingers. Smell of sun cream. And with these guys, it's just a matter of flicking them out. If we're only in 1 foot of water, we don't want to be moving them too fast. Okay, just little flicks. I got a fish on. Small floodie. There we go. Little baby flooded. These are the ones that always spike me. Buggers. Ah. See? Always spike me. Little buggers. Where's your big mama? Oh, a good fish here as well. So this is another, could be another flathead. Oh, she's a beauty too. Nice. She only just hooked this one. She's only just hooked. Come on, mate. She doesn't want to give up. Oh yes, there we go. You, another one. Oh, that's good. As you can see, this guy's got that Hulk prawn all the way down there. Yep, he's shook it out. So there you go, guys. That's the lure that did the damage, and they work really well. Get in touch with James Holt. He's on the internet under Holt Productions if you want to get these lures. If you jump on his Instagram, just giving him a plug. He's a local guy. I don't get sponsored or anything. He doesn't give me any lures. I buy them like everybody else does. But they really work well. Local guy, Aussie made, and he sells out so quick of these lures, and they are absolute dynamite on nearly all species, to be honest with you. Okay, let's measure this guy. Yeah, I knew he'd be up there. He's 50, smaller than that last one, but he's coming home anyway. I have a bit of a principle where anything over 60 I won't keep. Even 60 I won't keep, to be honest. I've been getting some crackers lately. So he's up near, what would he be, 50, about 54, which is a really good eating size. Right guys, there we go. Beautiful 52 centimetre flathead. I'm going to keep this guy. So that's 2 that I've kept. And if anyone watches the channel, generally most of the time I put all my fish back. So it's very rare that I keep them at the moment. I do enjoy putting them back so they can be caught again, but strict instructions from the wife to bring a feed down, so I'm going to keep this guy. So perfect, that's good. There's dinner. G'day guys, just a quick one. Just going to see if we can raise a few fish just on these weed edges here. What we've got here, we've got a lot of weed. I'm only in, I think it's 1.9 feet, 2 feet of water, so I just can't get into all that dark area there. So what I want to do is see if there's any bream, whiting, anything around. Sometimes you get some big long toms hanging around here as well. So I'm just going to sneak up and do a big cast over the top of this weed, and hopefully, cross our fingers, we might get a little bit of action. Straight out, cast out. I've got a 10-pound leader on, just a little bit heavier. Just helps that. Now, if I'm fishing for whiting, then we just do a constant wind back like we're doing now. See, there's a few fish having a crack at it. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, they're having a crack, but they're not getting near it. There's one. There you go. Oh, okay. Just a few pops back and then just stop. They're having a little crack. Oh, almost hooked him. They're only small. But great fun. If you get the kids into it, they love it. It's just really visual fishing, you know. But there might be some good whiting in here. First of all, you've got to excite them and then just stop it for a minute. And they should hit it on when we stop. There you go, there's one hitting it now. There's another one. They're just not quite hammering it how I'd like them to. There you go, that's a fish. Only a small one. Great fun on light gear, but hopefully I've got that. You can see it. I'd say he's a little brim bow. Is he a little brim? Yeah, small brim. A little brim. Yeah, he's not bad. He's alright size. There we go. Brim on poppers, guys. Very, very easy. Just got to make sure you get over this sort of weed area. Get yourself a little clear popper like that. Nice sunny day so they can see it. As you can see here, all the weed. And that's it. Nice and easy. A brim on poppers. Well guys, that's all I've got time for this week. We look forward to seeing you back on the water sometime in the near future. And yeah, any questions, please leave any questions in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. Okay, cheers. See you next week. Bye.